it's finally 2026, so Happy New Year! Today is Wednesday, and meron kami ngayong morning class, and dito kami magka-class sa lab. So, I think I'm the first one here. Medyo maaga pa din kasi. So, magbabasa na lang muna ako kasi hindi ko pa natapos yung readings ko kanina. And then, we'll have class. Sana maaga siya matapos.
By rules. So, yung HSB na tinatawag, this are considered to be DNA.
Good morning. Kahapon, hindi na ako masyado nakapag-vlog after ng klase namin. Kasi na-drain ako and nalipasan din ako ng gutom. Kaya pinahinga ko na lang yung the rest of the day. Pero today, babawi tayo. Magpapaka-productive na tayo today. Ang agenda ko is mag-review kasi malapit na yung exam. And then, mag-organize ng notes. Meron akong biniling flashcards. O, nakita ko to sa klase ko. And gusto ko siya itry. Hopefully, maging effective siya sa akin. Ang bala ko palang ilagay dito is yung mga topics na high yield. Pag kasi nagle-lecture yung profs namin, may mga certain topics silang ine-emphasize na based sa experience nila is lumabas daw sa board exam. So, ganun yung ilalagay ko dito para maybe later on magagamit ko din siya sa PLE season. So, ayun lang, mag-start na ako mag-aral.
주목받고 싶었다. 대신 그곳에 다녀와 주세요.
Seven drinks, tapos yung food nyo, ma'am. Diyan na ako sabit pero. Ayun na nandiyan.
Hi! Since it's Saturday, end of the week, I'll be journaling. So this is my journal, and I'll be adding entries for this week. Journaling is one of the habits that I also want to practice this year. Actually, trinay ko siya last year. Kaso, hindi nag-work for me yung setup na ginawa ko. I think it's because masyado siyang overwhelming. Ang ginawa ko kasi last year is weekly journal. However, ayun nga, hindi ko na siya na-maintain. So, this year, I tried to simplify it. So, ginawa ko na lang monthly yung journal ko. Anyway, today, I didn't have class, pero nagpunta ako sa hospital kasi yung isa naming prof, in-invite niya kami sa clinic niya. Hinayaan niya kami na mag-interview ng patients. It was kind of nerve-wracking at first kasi siguro ito yung first formal experience ko na magkaroon ng patient interaction. Nakakaba siya nung una, pero once you go there, once na kakaharap mo na sila, parang natural na siya na dadating sa'yo. Anyway, we worked in pairs din naman, so hindi siya masyadong intimidating. One thing I realized is dapat talaga gumawa na ako ng own template ko for history taking. Kasi kanina parang na-experience namin na hindi namin alam kung ano pa yung itatanong namin or if may nakalimutan ba kami. So, I think having a template would really help. Another thing that I learned is sobrang laking bagay talaga ng experience. Kasi after namin ma-interview yung patient, kumbaga, initial interview lang kami. Yung prof namin is kakausapin pa din siya, of course, for the diagnosis or the management part. And dun sa mga na-encounter naming cases earlier, feeling ko hindi ko na siya makakalimutan. The way na narinig ko yung prof ko na i-handle yon, like, the way he explained things, parang he made it so easy compared sa natututunan ko sa books. So, feeling ko ganon, hindi ko na siya makakalimutan. And I hope na yung ganitong attitude is ma-maintain ko until clerkship, which is the time kung kailan kami magkakaroon talaga ng mas maraming patient exposure. So, ayun lang. I think that's my 2 cents for today. Tatapusin ko lang to, journal ko, and then maybe I'll spend the rest of the day studying.